well, I do think that judgment writing is an important part of judicial training at every level. Jim Raymond, whom I've used as a trainer in this area for many years, he is not a lawyer. He's a professor of English literature. And he usually starts off by saying that there's no such thing as judgment writing. There's only writing. And he tries to train us to write in a way people understand. And basically, I suppose if one could simplify what he says, if one could write like a newspaper writer who writes for everybody in the world to understand, one could probably be said to have improved the quality of judgment writing. Going back to the point of communication, I think the communication issue is also much broader than just judgment writing. And we've, in fact, just about a month ago, less than a month ago, in our court, we introduced a program where we had senior media people come and do a workshop with our judiciary on the issue of communication as well, which, in fact, after it had been done, those judges who had been skeptical of the idea before, all thought what a wonderful thing it was, and actually wanted to have it done again. And we were thinking that that could become a fairly routine part of the judicial training programs that we maintain across the level, the whole spectrum of the judiciary.
Was there, yes, sorry, no question or comment? There should be a microphone coming your way.
I'm Nizar Sagi. I'm the executive director of an association called Legal Agenda from Lebanon, and lawyer also. Okay, my question is to try to be more relevant regarding this region. Because as you know, in most of these countries, the executive director is not so nice and not so respectful of independence of judiciary. And most times, education is used as tool in order to make judges more subject to domination, more accepting domination with some notions like obligation of restraint or whatever, obligation de réserve in French, and so how to keep silent. You have always to keep silent. You have always to apply law strictly, the law without any interpretation. You have never to address medias or having any communication with outside, and you have always to respect hierarchy, and you have to respect all the judges or higher judges and so on. So education is not always to make the judge more efficient, and but also sometimes is somebody who is coming to make a model, a judge model who knows very well that he has to stop somewhere, and he has to respect the executive power and government.